Hello, what's up guys, it's Gary here and you're watching G4 Gadget. If you're looking for a thin and light tablet with PC level productivity and flagship performance, then I have just the right thing for you. The brand new HUAWEI MatePad Pro 13.2. Let's check it out. Like the MatePad 12X I previously talked about, this MatePad Pro 13.2 also comes with PC level WPS Office. You can literally do your work on this tablet without any compromises, with support for dock, PPT, and XLS on the PC level WPS Office. The UI is exactly the same as WPS or Office that you'll find on a full-fledged computer, retaining all the functions that you need when doing serious works. For example, a quick layout to make charts using your data on spreadsheet, which is very convenient. There's also formula inserting function on the writer, perfect for students or researchers. Then, there's rehearsal timing on the presentation for you to time your speech. And also, object alignment, just like on a PC. To complete the PC level software, this HUAWEI MatePad Pro also comes with a smart magnetic keyboard with a trackpad and an M Pencil stylus for writing and drawing, both connected using Huawei's Neuralink technology. The keyboard makes typing on this tablet feels like using a laptop. Plus, the trackpad can give a mouse pointer accurate clicking on any apps. It can also be used while detaching from the tablet thanks to Neuralink. For the M Pencil, it has 16,384 levels of pressure sensing with very low latency that is amazing for drawing and writing, especially on this paper matte display. Speaking of that, the HUAWEI Notes has a new UX which looks neater and more organized, largely improving productivity. There are tons of templates and backgrounds to choose from, and useful tools and brushes to maximize the note-taking experience. Now, let's touch on the flagship level performance. Compared to the last gen, this MatePad Pro 13.2 has 30% performance leap. Although, it definitely isn't the most powerful tablet in the market, but this jump in performance means that gaming and multitasking is more efficient. There's an 85% increase in turbo duration and 10 degrees Celsius reduction in load temperature thanks to the advanced 3D heat dissipation system. To sustain all these powers, it comes with a large 10,100 mAh of battery, which Huawei claims can last up to 13 hours on a local video playback. When the battery is drained, the 100-watt charger included in the box can refill it from 0 to 80% in just 40 minutes. Next, let's dive into the display, which I think is the most crucial part in any tablets. The HUAWEI MatePad Pro 13.2 comes with the first ever Flexi OLED paper matte display on a tablet. It has 2880 x 1920 resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, P3 color gamut, HDR vivid support, Pro level color accuracy, and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness. Moreover, this paper matte display means minimal light reflections and maximum screen clarity, even under the bright sunlight. In numbers, the screen clarity has increased by 30%, and the anti-glare capability has increased by 57%. The OLED quality is really amazing, and it's one of the best displays I've ever laid my eyes on. Plus, it is also certified by TUV Ryland and SGS with eye protection features. Great! Another benefit of the paper matte display is the writing and drawing experience. Writing and drawing using the M Pencil on this MatePad Pro feels like a replication of real pencil touching a real paper. Speaking of that, of course, this MatePad Pro 13.2 has a built-in professional drawing app GoPaint, one of the best free drawing apps from Huawei itself. Appearance-wise, the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2 comes with a golden silk design, which looks luxurious yet young at the same time. It is absolutely thin at 5.5 mm only, plus it is very lightweight at 580 grams only. Where else could you find a PC-level powerhouse in this form factor? Not to mention that it is scratch-resistant and quite durable. The conclusion is, if you're looking for a lightweight tablet with a freaking awesome 13.2-inch OLED screen that is able to handle PC-level tasks, then you might consider the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2. It is priced at 4,999 ringgit. You can pre-order it from today onwards, with free gifts up to 2,545 ringgit. Check out the link below to get yours. What do you think about the Huawei MatePad Pro 13.2? Leave a comment down below and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to G4 Gadget for latest tech news. See you guys next time. Bye!